Friday, folks, Easter Friday, and we're here today to give you an update on the Thor final for next Friday at 3 o'clock. This is where it's going to be air vehicle repairs, right? That's where the final is going to be, with the winner for Juicing, the winner for MKM, the winner for Hamilton Brothers, Citadel Taxis, Juicing Prestwick, Gordon Shanks, Garden Maintenance. They're all sponsoring the final, right? Citadel Taxis, I've said Citadel Taxis. Cameraman's telling me I've not forgot Citadel Taxis. Look round about the river here, Citadel Taxis, right? And David McCusker at Juicing Prestwick, they have the sponsor at the final, and Gordon Shanks, Garden Maintenance. Can't be bad, can't be bad. 200 for the winner, 100 for second, 50 for third, right? And Graham got that to me. Graham, I know it's £50 for third. You don't need to explain to me. The Thor final, the mighty WSH. Now, I was looking for the hammer, couldn't find it. I said, has it been stolen? No, it's been stolen. Not been stolen. It's over here. The brickies. Look, the brickies. I've been practising with it. Right, this brickie. What's your name, my friend? Dylan. What do you think of the Thor hammer?
It's good. It's hard.
That's hard. Do you think you can do 10 seconds?
10 seconds, aye.
Oh, right. And here, well, there's that boy ran away, by the way, in hiding. Right, he ran away. And here's the mask brickie. We've known him the mask singer. What's your name, my friend? You're not, what's your second name?
I can't tell you that.
Say the mask brickie. Guess who he is? Where are you from then? Give us a clue. Where are you from? Oh, flow gently sweet after. He's from flow gently sweet after Newcomers. There you go. There was an apprentice here. He's run away hiding. Let's see if we can find him. Hello, son. Hello. You're right. Now, no swearing this time. No swearing. Right. I've watched you. That's the first I've seen you working in an hour, son. That's the first I've seen you working in an hour. Right, that's what I'm saying. You've done nothing. You're not getting your pie of the day. Now, come on, I want you to do. If you do get your pie of the day, I want you to go to Rabbie's bar there, say to Kat to pour a pint of bad tenants lager, because they tell me she's not the best at pouring lager. So that's what you today. Rabbie's bar in here and get a pint of lager to see if Kat can pour a pint of lager. The question is out, or the jury's out, to see if you can get a good pint of lager at Rabbie's bar. Okay, it's as simple as that. Right, get back to work and please don't swear. Right, so there you go, folks. We're just about to go. My good friends from VTech are not here. I thought that these boys are subbies for. Is it Irvin and you three boys?
I'm for Irvin, aye.
Right, can I get that back or you want to take it home? It's up to you.
Get it back, we've had a shot.
They've had a shot. So there you go, folks. She's here all next Friday. I'll give you updates. By the way, keep putting into my Ayrshire Hospice GoFundMe page. Keep the money going up for the Ayrshire Hospice for the WSH fencing. Who I'm, you know what I mean. We're trying to raise money for the Ayrshire Hospice through the mighty WS Thor Challenge. She's all later, folks, and I'll meet you later at the weekend.